Mr. Cloud is writing an autobiography. He already written 32 pages. It's already each day, each means time, or you add over and over again, he writes another 5 pages. Okay? What is the independent variable? The independent variable is the number of days, because each day he's going to write more pages. Variable is the number of days that he takes to write the autobiography, okay? Number of days. And the dependent variable is the total pages written. That's the outcome. The dependent variable is always the outcome, the answer. And the dependent variable is the outcome of this is the number of page written. Dependent variable is the written pages, or whichever way you say it best. What are the variables that can be assigned to the problem? Define the variables. Okay, the dependent variables. Independent variables is the days he takes to write. Each day he writes 5 pages. D is the number of days. Okay, and W is for written pages. Total written pages. Okay, total written pages. So write an algebraic equation for this. Is each means times. He writes another 5 pages. So he starts out with, he's already written 32 pages. 32 plus each day that he writes. Each means times. So he writes 5 pages for each day. So times the number of days. Okay. And equals to the total of pages he's written. W. My kids are reading, that's why. So W is the number of pages he's written, or total pages he's written. Okay, and then you put that, and this is the number of days for the independent variable, or the input. And the output is the total number of pages, total written pages. Okay, let's say he's written already 32 pages plus 5 pages for each day. Let's say he only wrote 1 day. Then total of pages, if you've only written 1 day, it's only 37 pages. So 1 day, 37. Okay, 1 and 37. So that's one of them. So he already written 30 pages. Let's say he wrote for 5 days. That's a total of 32 plus 25. 32 plus 25 is 57 pages. So in 5 days, he's written now a total of 57 pages. Um, 32 plus the 5 days times, let me see how many days he's written. Let's say 10 days. That's 50 plus 32. Use a calculator if you need to. Written a total of 82 pages. So in 10 days, they wrote 82 pages. Okay, 32 plus, let's say, 12 days. 12 days. So 12 days, how many total pages? That's 60 plus 32, that's 92 pages. Okay, so let's label the independent dependent variable. Independent variable is the x, that's the number of days. And here would be the total written pages. This normally they say time, like, you know, yeah, time in days. Oh, sorry. And that's how you do that. Hairstylists earn $80 per day, per means time, plus $25 for each haircut. Okay. This is confusing because each means time, so I didn't write down what I'm missing here is find the amount a hairstylist, or write an equation. Yeah, I wrote this wrong. Write an equation to find how much a hairstylist can make in one day. In one day. So, we're talking about one day. So one day for sure they earn a maximum of $80. They can earn a maximum of $80 a day plus $25 for every haircut. For each haircut means time, each cut. Okay? Because we're finding how much they make each day, $80 plus the number of haircuts. So if they cut 2, they make $50 for their haircut and the $80 for being paid. Okay, so that's why C for each haircut is left as the independent variable. So the independent variable is each haircut. And the dependent variable is how much they make. It's the total amount made each day. Amount made each day. So assign the variable H for each haircut, H for the number of haircut, and total amount made or earn, E for earning, total earning each day. Okay, so the number of haircut is the independent variable, so here that's the number of haircut. That's the X, the input. How much hair you cut. The output is the money you made, the total earning. That's the dependent variable. Okay? So let's say you cut only one hair. Well, they're going to pay you $80 anyways, plus the one haircut you made. So you make $105 for that day. It's pretty good earning, actually. Equals to E, earning. Okay, now here is the independent variable. That is right here. The number of haircut goes right there. That's the independent variable. That's the x-axis. So number of haircut. And then right here, total earning in dollars. So 80 plus $25 for each haircut. Let's say you cut 5 hairs that day. You made a lot of money. That's $125 plus 80. That's $205 for that day. So this ordered pair is 1 and 105. And this is 5 and 205. Say 80 plus $25 per haircut. Let's say you cut 10. You were really busy. It's 250 plus 80. You've made a total of $330. So for 10 haircuts, you made $330. Okay, 10 haircut, you input 10, you did 10 hair, you get out of it $330. I think I did the math right. $80 plus 25 times, let's say 20. Okay, 20. That's a lot of haircuts. That's $450. I believe. No. That's $500. Right? Yeah, because 10 is 250. 20 must be 500 plus 80. So $480. 20 haircuts, $480. Uh-oh. Wrote it wrong. Okay? And that's how you do that. I hope